Today we're gonna do iReady reading. Let's click on it to enjoy, guys.
Help me explain each picture so I can share photos with my friends. Complete both sentences. Drag the correct words into the blanks. The students, their teacher's hard work. They give the teacher a gift to their thanks. Participate.
We all know the answer, so I didn't mean that.
At the picture and listen to the sentences again. Absolutely! The students appreciate their teacher's hard work. They give the teacher a gift to express their thanks.
51.
That's just my little brother. Hey, he touches everything.
The art teacher likes to student art. Students feel when everyone can see what they made.
Well, the art teacher likes to yes.
Oh, yeah! The art teacher likes to display student art. Students feel delight when everyone can see what they made. The dancers will in a show. They must all the parts of the dance they learned. You got it!
Guys, if that was not the answer, then I would have to flip it over. Cause delight, what does it even mean when delight's in there? Back to math mode.
The dancers will participate in a show. They must remember all the parts of the dance they learned. Thanks for helping add to my collection of photos. Help me train these parrots to use words correctly. Listen to the parrots. Choose the parrot that makes sense.
You express your thoughts when you keep them to yourself. You express your thoughts when you tell them to a friend. Exactly. When you appreciate a book, you do not like the book very much. When you appreciate a book, you understand why it is good or important. Nice one! Your teacher might display students' poems on the wall. Your teacher might display students' poems inside her desk. Oh, yeah!
iReady thinks they can fool me up, y'all, but I don't think that could be true. If I listen closely and remember the word, iReady cannot fool me up. iReady cannot fool me up. Ha ha! iReady will never, ever, ever, ever. How would I win? How would I lose? Dun 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 dun.
You can remember a family trip that you took last year. You can remember a family trip that you will take next year.
How does this small parrot don't even know? You have to do this parrot, because I was imagining in my mind, I pictured the word and now I remember. So I got this right. See?
awesome! Delight is a feeling that often makes people frown and cry. Delight is a feeling that often makes people laugh and smile.
The small parrot's right. The big one is wrong. I like the small parrot and the big one, but whoever's right, I'll tap on them. Then it would be a dun, dun, dun. But one person commented on my live, "Hey, Krister, can you give me I cool ready, y'all? I don't even care, but I can teach them how to go on. But how would I teach them to go on? Because I don't want them to see, first of all, when my birthday is. Well, besides, you have to go to school. Do you even go to school? Okay, you could go to school, but let me just, you know."
Absolutely! When you participate in a soccer game, you play in the game. When you participate in a soccer game, you watch the game on TV.
I participated.
Great job!
Thanks for your help. Here's a treat for each parrot.
Guys, this is what I've heard about. And it was fake. One day there was a rooster and a chicken. And the chicken said cockle-doodle-doo. And then I was like, how does chicken say cockle-doodle-doo? I thought roosters do. And then soon the rooster started to chase me. I laughed when I was already closing my eyes. But once I heard it coming to me, I was like, oh, this may not be funny. Then I ran away. And then lots of people laughed. And then I also laughed too, how I ran so weird. Now, time to go back to math mode.
Listen up. I have questions and I need
Answer!
answers.
Help us answer Major Peril's questions. Drag the correct answer into the empty space.
Which word means the opposite of sadness?
It's Doug Light. Delight. I mean, not Doug Light. That's what we were to say. Time to go. Tickle.
I am impressed.
Which word means the opposite of hide?
Good thinking.
Which word means the opposite of forget?
I remember how you went to the trampoline park and did a backflip. I forgot when you literally did a front flip at the trampoline park last year when you were in second grade, and level B second grade. Period. Worst
That is
period.
exactly right.
Which word means the opposite of not say?
It's set. If you just cover it, I mean, this is also a touching screen. That's why you see the mouse, but then if it disappears, it's a touching screen. So I would say not say means, this one means hide. So I would say this one. Yeah! Yeah!
Which word means the opposite of not take part?
It means participate. If you know participate, I know you will know. Just know.
Nailed it.
Thanks. That really clears things up.
Yoop! Look at all the word power we've got now.
Appreciate!
Why does it sound like I'm literally recording it, but it's actually making a recording sound? Hey, look at all the word power we have found. Like recording, man.
Delight.
Display.
Express.
Participate.
Remember.
Learning new words is such a delight.
Delight!
Okay, off to the collection,
Little
little
guy.
guy. Now let's practice some words we
We've
learned before. And remember,
Scoring round! Boom! Remember to work carefully.
let's play
That makes sense!
touch the thumbs up buzzer if the sentence makes sense.
If the sentence
Touch the thumbs down buzzer if the sentence
does not make sense.
You might celebrate after your team wins the championship.
Ooh, I would want to have a golden medal. Secret pizzas are eaten.
Absolutely.